All right, what's up guys? Welcome to a video of my daily driver upgrades we're going to be doing here. You can see I got some LED upgrades from flashsharkracing.com, and I'm going to go ahead and link their stuff down below. But just to get into the meat and potatoes of what this video is going to be, it's going to be replacing the headlight bulbs. And I wish that I would have did it before, but obviously it's too light outside to show you what that progress would look like. So instead I'm going to kind of show you how to remove them. And while you're removing this process, if you do not upgrade for the cost of these, these headlights are terrible the way that they are. So Flash Shark, nice enough to reach out, send us some LED low beams. I'm only going to be doing low beams in this video, so get straight into it here. And you're going to see I twisted the cover off to see what I was going to be dealing with, but as you can tell, the coolant reservoir is in the way. So there's going to be a bolt there and a bolt there, and then I'm going to be able to remove this whole thing. So let me unbolt that real quick, and then I'll get this bolt, or this bolt. All right, so again, it's just two 10mm bolts. It's right there. Just make sure you don't lose them. And then plenty of access to go ahead and remove. I'm probably gonna have to use two hands with this, but you're just gonna twist this out. So let me go ahead and show you guys what you're dealing with in there. That's exactly what it looks like. And you're just gonna grab that and twist, but I kind of need to orient my hand into different positions. All right, guys, so I definitely misspoke. These, you can see your low beam is, the tongs on it are a little different. So I thought it was the low beams, but it's actually the high beams that were sent out. So this is what it looks like on there. What's up, buddy?
What's that thing right there?
Working on the car.
Huh?
Working on the car. So you can see that that's the high beam, so it's actually a little bit easier. I just plugged it in to make sure that it was going to work, and then let me focus. So you can see right here, that little metal tab is going to fit under there, and I'll show you that in just a second. So I got the car obviously turned on. You can hear the hybrid motor, but anyway, visually see the color difference. And then I'm also going to do a night comparison. And guys, again, I'm going to link all this stuff below. Hopefully it's loud enough. flashsharkracing.com. Guys, get your LEDs. I'm going to have a code below that's also going to get you 10%. Hopefully I showed you guys how to do your low beams and high beams without actually doing it. I wanted to do both, but obviously I only had one or the other. So high beams are done. I'm going to pop the stock low beam back in and repeat the process on the other side. It looks like I have a little bit of room right there, and this one could get tricky, but I think I also have enough room if I just pull an AC line out of the way. So, all right, guys. All right, so this is just going to be a continuation to that video, because I was under the impression that I would be able to get to the driver's side headlight without actually being able to do all this where I'm at right now, but you can't, because if you have a hybrid and here's all your voltage stuff, you're not going to be able to get to it because there's too much stuff in the way. You'll be able to get to your low beam for sure. Like, there's enough room here, but as far as your high beam, which is right here, it is literally tucked up against your electric motor. So let me walk you through how we got to here. And obviously in the first part of the video, you saw how to do that. So there's a screw, a Phillips screw right here in the bumper that I took out and pried that out a little bit. You have a 10mm up top. You have another 10mm, which is tucked in right here. And then you got all these little pop rivet screw things that you screw out, and then obviously I just left them in. And you got a couple 10mm on top, and that's enough to kind of get the grill out to where I was able to actually access the headlight. I don't have to remove it completely. Is it a lot of work for a headlight bulb? Yeah, but didn't have to jack the car up, and really all you need is a 10mm. So how I'm going to do this is exactly how I did the other side. So just going to twist the cover off and access it from in there. Let me end the video out the right way. flashsharkracing.com. Get your headlight bulbs for your hybrid Kia. What a pain. Until next time, guys, support those who support you.